Okay, so we have a problem.
Ta valise est prête. Rends les choses faciles. Et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile.
The problem is, I made this really nice intro for the vlog today. Well, today is actually Friday. This entire vlog was shot yesterday. But I made this really nice intro for the vlog, and now it's like the audio. I don't know what happened to the microphone. Maybe it wasn't plugged in properly or whatever. So I'm just gonna tell you the exact same thing that happened last. There are a couple things I've been working on in the last couple of days that's the reason why I haven't been able to vlog. Now, if you're an artist, you have the art side of everything and you have the administration side, like just responding to emails and working on proposals with companies. You have to get a grips with the administration side of what you're doing, and that is the tough part for all creatives, is like the business aspect of things. That's what I've been really working on in the last. It was an entire vlog shot on Sunday, but I just did not get time to edit it. I did this amazing time lapse through one of these crystal balls. You might have seen the crystal ball on my Instagram, but he did a time lapse through one of the crystal balls and it looked killer, and I told him I'd use it. That is nice. Okay, I'm gonna use this for my video.
Do you think now? I make it sense.
You will now see Ken win time lapse here if you send it to me in time. So there are like other projects that I'm like firing up right now, and that's the reason why I haven't even been able to edit as much, like nothing video related. Other than that, I've been working on something for you guys. I was wondering how best can I print my work and make it available for you guys to purchase, because a lot of you want stuff from Japan when I was in New York. Even stuff from Trinidad right now, a lot of you are requesting like that manzanilla picture that I have up on one of the thumbnails. That's all that happened recently. I've just been busy. I've just been really busy. That's good and that's bad, because it's good that I'm busy. These videos are the reason I'm getting these kind of opportunities. I don't want to stop making these videos because of the opportunities, because these videos are the reason I'm getting the opportunities in the first place. So I really want, I need to find a balance. I am committing to making one video a week. I will upload on Wednesdays, and I'm trying to form some sort of consistency. I have formed that consistency on Instagram where I post every single day between 2 and 6 p.m. I might post at most like 2 Instagrams a day. That's 3. But at most like 2 Instagrams a day. But definitely I'm trying to post 1 Instagram every single day, and I'm trying to keep that consistency. And that consistency is something I want to trickle over onto my YouTube channel for you guys. So every Wednesday, I'm talking to myself as well as you. Every Wednesday, I will upload something, no matter what. Every Wednesday. Message me and be like, I hope that video is coming along for Wednesday. It'll feel like I have homework to do, and it'll put the pressure on me. Like, okay, so now I'm gonna carry you back in the past. Past me will now guide you accordingly. Get in! We have places to go. Okay, hold this. Tell everyone where you've been.
At home!
You've been on home. Everybody missed you.
For the trim?
Yeah, take a trim. I'm looking nice and fancy now.
Yeah. Pretty road.
Pretty road. You know where Avocat Falls is?
I do.
You went there already. Tshiann has been there. I haven't been there.
Numerous times.
You've been there numerous
times.
Okay, you are the expert.
Numerous times.
You are the expert, okay. So you be the expert. I don't know where we're going.
One road.
No, well, the last time I tried to find it, I reached all the way by the Spring Bridge. And I didn't know where it was. Spring Bridge.
The wind is blowing in a southeasterly direction.
Oh, the wind has the AC. Oh, we lost now for sure.
Shut up.
And Tshiann, where are we supposed to go? That way?
There!
There?
Oh, the road bad, eh?
My bank account.
You feel that in your credit
I
card?
feel that in my credit card. Alright, so we just want to, like, let me wind down my glasses a little.
Oh, there is a thing to go down.
If you go down, Why you smile again with your visa face? How sure are you that we're supposed to be going? 50% sure? So it couldn't be 50% we're supposed to be going the other way.
No.
This road has put this van through so much stress. How far again we gotta go?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you mean?
I don't know. Go ahead.
Okay, so it's in here we go. Okay, random cat. I was gonna be like, look at that big ass snake in the middle of the road. It's like,
You
no,
would have seen me running back to the van.
what kind of nature hikers this here are we on?
Okay, I lead the way, okay?
Okay, you lead the way.
When you look down, you will see the mouth of the river. Well, not the really the mouth, but the center of the river.
I believe Tshiann has no idea where we're going.
But you see one leading. Blind leading.
Blind leading blind. Okay, so this is the one time I actually permit my shoes to get wet. That looks so nice, eh? And that real deep, like you're looking at it and you're thinking it's right there, but
Yeah,
that is
deep.
very deep. You're looking like you forgot where you're going.
No, I was watching the depth of the water. I forget where I think. Possibly. Follow me, man.
Right there is deep. Where you gotta go? You gotta swim through here. Or go up there.
The water looking real shallow now, but
You're looking very shallow.
very
but
deep.
Okay, that is kind of deep. Okay, yeah, that is deep. You have to swim now. It just goes down from right here. Tastes like nobody peeing it today. We climb here. That wasn't so bad. Like you make it sound like we had to go so high up in the air.
I know how to climb up here. I saw the swim.
Alright, so we found it. We didn't have to swim. I didn't have to get my camera bag wet. Thank God. But that is it.
You just have food on top there, right?
Ready?
Yeah, you wanna go?
Alright! Just the two of us. Trying to get Tshiann to stand up on top of the rock to get like a nice little long exposure. It was a little bit difficult to fly in here because you don't have much room to fly and I didn't have much satellites to connect. It was a little bit of a pain. We are going a little bit higher up, so we're going up there. This is a serious freaking point. You can't tell from looking up. What if you look down?
What's the water here?
Way, that is deep.
I keep going.
I want a thumbnail. Oh, that's the end. I think that is the end. I'm not sure. I'm not going any further than that. This is as far as we're going. Bye bye Waterfall. You've been nice and clean and I hope you stay that way. So nice. Anywhere that has like water, If you realize my Instagram pics have a lot of like sea and oceans and stuff like that, it's because I love to come by the water just to clear my head. Ah! Oh, good boy. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. So we decided to make a little stop. Is this like a 5-minute drive from where we were just now? We just stopped by the Spring Bridge. Sunset today is gonna look so nice. Watch these clouds. That is going to make for an epic sunset. It's just a little bit too early. Alright, so this is our last little spot of the day. Trying to get that nice sunset out there. Oh, how did you enjoy your day today?
It was fun.
It was fun, right? We had so much fun today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like it, if you want to see more like this. And I will see you guys in the next one. Where should we go next? Where are we going next? Stop smiling like that. Oh my god.